What is the Trendcore Crypto Signals Currency Investor Signal Service? Well, first of all, the word trend is used in the name of the service. So it's focused on trading and cryptocurrency trends. That means we're looking at trading a bigger picture move instead of a short swing. We're looking at targeting bigger move for bigger profits. So it's less work for more money in concept. So Trendcore is a trading system. It's a specific set of entries and exits. We are going to follow our trading system for these signals. We are not making these signals up out of thin air. We are not basing these signals based on rumors or how we feel like for the day, or emotional ideas that pop into the head at the last second. Know that we are trading a system for an exact consistent approach to the cryptocurrency markets. So what you have here is a service that keeps you on track with the Trendcore plan. In order to succeed in trading, you need a plan. You need a goal, and it would be a good idea for you to set an overall trading goal today, and I would make it as exciting as possible. And you need to have a method of operation to obtain that goal, which in trading would best be a trading system as the method of consistent operation to obtain that trading goal. So trading is like a business, a professional business. A professional business has an operations manual for its employees. The employees now need to know exactly what to do and when to do it. There can be no guessing if you have businesses across the country. Then your business operations manual needs to give the rules, the laws, the instructions of what to do all the time. Franchises such as franchise restaurants are a good example of this type of business operations model concept. In terms of a trading system, we have an exact method of entry and exit that allows us or any one of our signal callers to consistently put out the same type of signal that coordinates with this Trendcore trading system, and it gives you a steady, professional, organized, systematic business framework in which to trade the markets and to do so over time. It's very easy to get distracted in trading and not stick to a plan. Most people don't even have a plan, and most people don't do well in the markets. Those who have a plan have a far greater chance of success. And those who have a good trading system have an extremely high chance of long-term success that can be compounded upon itself. So with a good trading system, you have a consistent approach so you can consistently compound those profits. And by compounding properly on a good trading system that has consistent returns year over a year, you can make ridiculous fortunes. But who sticks to the game plan long enough and consistent enough to compound their trading account? Well, maybe you could be one of these new breeds of traders that have this consistent approach, and we hope our students start to pick up on this mentality. The Trendcore Cryptocurrency Investor Signal Services focuses on bigger moves, big trends, drama trends. That's what we're going for with Trendcore. So it's kind of like an investing signal, an investing trading signal. So it's more long-term is what that means. Essentially and simply speaking now, that doesn't mean every time you enter a trade, it's going to be in there for a long time. We are following the price action of the market. If the markets change and it triggers our exit, then we're out, and that's a good thing because we're not going to stick to something that's not going to win. If a trade doesn't coordinate with our system and our method of trail stops to lock in profits, we just exit if a stop out point is reached, and another trade will be on the way. Trendcore trades are fairly frequent for a trend trading system. So have the perspective of how frequent signals come. You're looking at about 7 to 10 trades a year, but as you can see from the performance sample below, these trades can be extremely profitable. And for the little amount of work that it takes to trade Trendcore, your involvement with our Trendcore trading signal service could become an extremely valuable one and a huge return on your time involved. Additionally, the membership fee, at least at the point of this recording, is very moderate. So take advantage of such an easy start and get these very smart signals delivered to you. Click more info below if not on the Trendcore presentation page, or click the Add to Cart button if you are on the presentation page to get started receiving your Trendcore wealth building signals. So let's talk about the signals concept. A signal means that we are going to alert you so you don't have to pay attention in that regard. We're going to tell you when to get in, and we're going to tell you when the exit is. I should rephrase. We're going to tell you when the entry is. We're going to tell you the initial stop loss. And then we're going to tell you the profit trailing exit. We can't tell you to do this and that, but we can tell you the entries and exits of our Trendcore trading system, and I only say that for clarity. Ultimately, you have to choose to trade the signal or not. If you want our Trendcore system's consistent approach, then the approach would be to trade all the signals and not skip or pick and choose, because a system is designed to have all of its trading rules performed. Often with amateurs, those who don't have proven experience in the markets, who haven't worked out all of their inner game psychological factors, They will tend to be afraid of the winning trades and they will be more attracted to the losing trades because the losing or mediocre trades have a more safe and comfortable feel to them, and the winning trades usually emotionally feel more scary. And if you think about it, that's logical because a trade that is highly emotionally charged to the marketplace will tend to have an overreaction, which can be quite profitable. And a low emotionally charged price action scenario will tend to not have the emotional energy to propel it very far. So what you want to do is get in the trade before the marketplace has their drama move to profit nicely. And the way you do that is to trade a big move, trend type of system like Trendcore. So sign up for Trendcore and get a great wealth building style of trading signal plan and service. We'll just email you when it's time for a new trading signal or trading signal adjustment. You can always get the signals by logging into your members area. If you have any questions, let us know. Click the Add to Cart button to get started to get rolling with the Trendcore trading signal service. This could be one of the great things you do in life and something very enjoyable and exciting to do. As well, click the Add to Cart button below to get started.